This is actually a hadith of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam about this concept. The meaning of, don't you say, I kept asking, literally what you just said. I kept asking and Allah did not respond. Now, and I don't mean you, but just because we all say it, by the way. The fact I say, Allah did not answer me, I'm negating a verse in the Quran. True or false? You all heard this in Ramadan. It's in between the ayat of Siyam. It's in between the verses of Siyam. What did Allah said? وَقَالَ رَبُّكُمْ دُعُونِي أَسْتَجِبْ لَكُمْ. That one. But the second one, in the one I referred to earlier, وَإِذَا سَأَلَكَ عَنِّي عِبَادِي. What? فإني قريب أجيب دعوة الداعي إذا دعان فليستجيبوا لي وليؤمنوا بي لعلهم يرشدون. If they ask you about me, I need you to memorize this. If my servant asks you about me, there is no say. He said, I am near. I hear what they are saying. I hear their dua. They need to respond to me and believe in me, and they will be guided. This is how shaitan comes to you. Responding to the dua, not necessarily come the way I want. Ya Rabbi, I need water this size, cold, and then the water comes in front of me. No. The dua is, I'm sure many of you know this, dua is responded in three ways. It's either you will get exactly what you are asking, or there is a harm that's going to be removed from you, or Allah will keep it and reward you in the Day of Judgment. Having said that, the question why you are changing, not changing, or not staying strong, what are you doing? Don't tell me this is public. You need to remove everybody. Myself, number one. You need to remove disobedience from your homes. And unfortunately, these days, some of the obvious disobedience 10 years ago became norm. And then I say, why my dua is not being answered? I always say this to parents when they come and the children in big troubles. And I say, I don't know your home, but I'm just asking a question. Is there haram inside the house? And I need you to define haram. It's not only the usual. What do you watch on TV? What do you listen to? What do you talk about? There's a lot of haram in this. I'm not saying you, but in general. I need to analyze my day. And then I'm going to ask Allah, if I didn't see it, show me. Learn to talk to Allah. Beautiful in the dua, as we know. But what about if I don't know the dua? Talk to Him. I know you're hearing me. Allahumma innaka tara makani. You see my place. وَتَسْمَعُ كَلَامِي. You hear what I am saying. وَتَعْلَمُ سِرِّي وَعَلَانِيَتِي. And you know what's hidden and what's obvious. Show me, Ya Allah. I know you hear my dua. What am I doing that I'm not changing? Wallahi. And I said, Wallahi. You say this and see how He will tell you. But don't give up and never say Allah did not answer my dua. He always does. May Allah make it easy.